Do you have difficulty with math? Worry no more, because I have a solution for you. Let's have math classes with Mamshi. See you in class! This time, our topic is about equations and characteristics of different types of conic sections. So, at the end of this discussion, the students will be able to recognize the equations and characteristics of different conic sections. So, let's have this. Equation of different types of conic sections are in this general form. Ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. But later on, you will identify what is the difference between the equations of different types of conic sections. So just take note of the values of a, b, c, d, and e. Okay? For the characteristics, for our circle, our A is always equal to B. Take note that is the partner of your x squared and y squared. The coefficients of x and coefficient of y squared are always equal, and also those are not equal to 0. For the ellipse, we have the value of A is not equal to B, but it is always greater than 0. It means that the value of A and B have the same sign. So we can have all positive A's or all negative A's. For the parabola, it may either be A equals 0 or B equals 0. That's why we have equations just like x squared followed by x and y. We don't have y squared, or sometimes we can have the equation y squared followed by other variables with lesser degree, so less than degree of 2. And for the hyperbola, we have a times b is less than 0. It means that a and b have different signs. So I will explain to you later how can we identify the different kinds of conic sections. So example number 1, identify what kind of conic section is this. Take note that we only have x squared here. So since our b is equal to 0, therefore we can say that this is a parabola. Take note that for the property of a parabola, our a must equal to 0 or our b must equal to 0. On this case, we don't have y squared. Therefore, our b is equal to 0. Okay, for the next example, we have 7x squared and negative 9 squared. But then, 7 is positive and 9 is negative. They don't have the same signs. So we can say that this is a hyperbola. Okay? For example 3, we have 9x squared plus 4y squared. Take note that this is your A and this is your B. They are unequal, but they have the same signs. Therefore, we can say that this is an ellipse. Okay? Let's have your example. X squared plus y squared. Take note that your A is equal to 1 and your B is also equal to 1. Since they have different values for A and B, therefore we can say that this equation represents a circle. Okay, for number 5, we still have our A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 9. Since they have the same signs but unequal, therefore we can say that this one is representing an ellipse. And for example number 6, we have 4x squared minus 9y squared. Take note that they are unequal and also they have different signs. Therefore, we can say that this equation is representing a hyperbola. Okay, so I think and I hope that all of you have learned from this lesson and it will be easier for you to identify the different types of conic sections based on their equations. So we are done with quarter 1, week 5C. For those who are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated of my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from me.